In this video, I want to talk about how you can change your currency on Trading 212. Now keep in mind your currency is tied to your region when you create your account. So since I live in Denmark, my account will show the Danish currency. So the only way to actually change this is you need to contact their support. So what you want to do is you want to head over to their support. So click on this one, and once you're in here, go back to the settings. Now I'm not gonna do it because it's gonna show all my info, but go back here, click on help, and it's gonna take you to their help section. Once you're in there, you just wanna contact them, and you wanna ask them if it's possible to change your region or your currency. But just keep in mind, you can only actually do this if it's because you moved to a new place or the new country, I mean. Otherwise, your currency will be tied to your country. So that is basically how it works. The only other way you can do this if you create a new account, but then you will have to delete your old one, and that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.